Today we are taking advantage of casino comps. Let's go.
Hey there, it's Clay from Shady Slots. So today I'm going to take advantage of a big comp. So you know I'm all about the comps. I got an offer from Caesars and I'm going to fly from Long Island to Atlantic City, specifically to Harrah's. It includes the airfare for two, it includes a night's hotel, as well as free play and transportation from the airport to the casino and back. So it's a pretty sweet comp, and hopefully I'll win, and hopefully I'll gamble enough to make it worth it so I get it again. Originally I got offered a 3-night stay, but it said if this doesn't work for you, take a look at the other offers. And, you know, are literally hundreds of offers through the United States from smaller airports that take you to different locations. I saw there was one going from Boston to New Orleans, and basically everywhere. So for me, Republic Airport in Farmingdale is the main one for New York. All right, so let's see what happens next. All right, so we are at Republic Airport in Farmingdale. We're heading in, and let's see what kind of plane this is. Hey, how are you?
So the flight is 40 minutes. Look at this crazy leg room. Woohoo! How did I get this crazy perk? You can too. Get a player's card. Go to a casino. Put your card in the machine, play the machine, and get those points. They add up. I mean, I cannot believe I got a comp flight.
And just like that, we're in Atlantic City.
So this comp also included transportation between the airport in Atlantic City and the casinos. So here we are at Harrah's. It came with a little free play too. So this is by far one of the best perks I've ever gotten from a casino. I mean, seriously, a wonderful overnight trip with a flight to Atlantic City with a beautiful room and a beautiful amount of free play that I earned. And I'm gonna win.
We are at Harrah's by the Bay in Atlantic City, so let's play.
This casino has the most amazing pool under a dome. It's a beautiful facility. There are also amazing restaurants and some really cool bars here. You're gonna love it. They were celebrating 80s night. Those 24 hours flew by, but let me tell you, I really did win. And then back on the bus, back on the plane, and on to the next adventure. Hey, thanks for watching. Please subscribe. We'll see you soon.